In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up invoice reminders in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the exact process inside QuickBooks so you can create a reminder template that pings you ahead of time, helping you stay on top of upcoming transactions. We'll use an expense template as the example, but the same workflow applies when you build reminder templates for invoices as well. First, head to the gear icon in the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This opens the settings menu where you can access many of your company-wide tools. From there, choose recurring transactions. This page is your hub for templates that run on a schedule or send reminders instead of posting automatically. Click New in the top right of the recurring transaction page. When QuickBooks asks you what type of transaction you want to base the template on, select Expense and click OK. Using expense here is simply to demonstrate the reminder setup. The reminder mechanics are identical for other transaction types. In the template window, start by giving your template a clear, memorable name. A descriptive name makes it easy to spot later, especially if you manage several reminders at once. Next, change the type from scheduled or unscheduled to reminder. This tells QuickBooks not to post anything automatically, but to notify you instead. You'll also see a field to enter how many days before the transaction date you want the reminder. Pick a lead time that gives you room to act. 3 to 7 days is a common choice, but choose what fits your workflow. Set the interval for how often this reminder should occur, such as daily, weekly, monthly, or custom, and then choose the start date and, if needed, an end date. The start date controls when QuickBooks begins evaluating the schedule, so set it to the first date you want the system to track. Use an end date if the reminder is temporary or tied to a contract period. Otherwise, you can leave it open-ended. Now, fill in the transaction details so the reminder is meaningful when it arrives. Include the payee or customer, the category or product and service, the amount or rate, and any memo that clarifies what needs to happen. The more context you add, the faster you can act on the reminder when it lands in your email or reminders list. When everything looks right, click Save Template. That's it. Your reminder template is now active and will notify you according to the schedule you set. You can return to recurring transactions anytime to edit, pause, or duplicate the template as your needs change.